So Renato, what were you doing before you came over to NEXA? What were you doing?
I'll tell you, Erica, before I came to NEXA, I was at the retail shop and really got to the point where I knew there's a better way out there because my clients were not getting the best from me. I kept losing the deals due to higher rates. I do a lot of advertising, and every time I advertise, my client goes out there and shop me. And then as they kept shopping, they kept finding better deals. And so it took me a little bit of time to research who is the best out there. And after that. Nexa definitely was a winner. I'm glad I picked it. So that's
So what
going
what
from
what
retail
was it that brought
retail
you over
bank.
to NEXA then? Was it the rates?
You know, initially, yes, absolutely. Rates were a big factor to me because I wanted to serve my clients the best possible way, and I wanted to be that guy that can actually win deals from others that are charging higher. So rates were number one. Overall vision of the entire future of a company is what brought me as well. Support was a very important part to me. Having access to online live support also played a big role, which a lot of times when you're making a switch from a retail side to broker, a lot of your branch manager will say, well, how about the support? That's exactly what my branch manager told me. Oh, will you get enough support there? I'm like, exactly, I will. Support is actually push of a button along with my low rates, along with the higher comps. So all of that played a great role, and super excited. 2 years, 2+ years right now in Nexa, and looking strong.
So what would you say to anybody thinking of coming over to NEXA? What would be your advice?
I'll tell you, you just gotta find out and see it for yourself. That's a first step. I tell everyone to just compare. I mean, come, we do these weekly meetings. We call them Y Nexus every single week, and we literally allow loan officers that are on the other side to come look at what it is to be inside prior to making the change. That's another big thing. I've changed companies in the past and they promise you all of that, and then once you get the logins at the other companies, you're like, these rates are not that great, which is the reason why, they tell you they'll pay you a lot, but
Yeah.
then what happens is your customers are paying for that level of it, and then it becomes hard. I mean, it becomes hard, and not necessarily hard to sell a rate, because we're not just selling the rates. It feels bad to knowing that there are better options out there. It feels bad to sell that high rate to someone else, and that's really, to me, it was a big factor of it. And so I would say check it out. Check Nexa. You got nothing to lose. It's a broker model. It's a pure broker model. You have options, plenty of support, and numbers don't lie. Nexa Mortgage grew from 50 or so loan officers a couple years ago when I joined to 880 as of today, right? Or 878 as of February 18, right? 21. So the numbers don't lie. Loan officers are finding out, and there is no better company that will help you with transition from your retail channel to broker channel to Nexa.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'll tell you this, the biggest benefit of Nexa, and I kind of spent time yesterday just understanding, man, we are doing something that no other mortgage company is doing, and that's actually helping each other.
Right.
And that is non-existent